I knew this was gonna go into a part 2 because either I'm long-winded or I just have a lot of stories to tell. But here's part 2. I'm almost done with my makeup. And usually makeup takes, without filming a story time, ooh, that's a lot. Takes like 10 minutes, 20 minutes maybe. Maybe for a full glam, a little bit longer, but not that long. So I'm gonna actually add a little bit more blush to this look. This is the Charlotte Tilbury. I love this palette. You can kind of see it, but I'm gonna add a little bit more bronze and a little bit more dark color because it's nighttime, and kind of going for that bronzy but glowy look. Bronzy glowy look. That's like exactly what I have brides tell me, like, I don't want a lot of makeup, but I want like that bronzy glowy look. So here's the bronzer. I want it to be more brown, not too pink. I'm like, okay, I got you. Okay, back to the story. I'm gonna do my mascara while I do that story. So both of these mascaras are awesome. You guys, if you don't have them and you're spending so much money on like expensive mascara, don't do it. Just buy this. This will last you. If you dip in the pool, this mascara will last you, I'm telling you. You can see I like doing this one because this wand is a really good detailing wand. You can see. Oh, I love that. Love that. Let's do the other one. Oh, now this is gonna give it length and fullness, and you know we are doing lashes today. Anjali knows she has to do my lashes. Oh, look what I did to my nose, guys. When this happens, you let it dry and then you come back to it. So literally I started doing makeup as like a side hustle. I had my corporate career. I was like, yeah, I'll do makeup on the side. It's like a fun thing on the weekends. And as I did it more, I realized I loved it. I loved being part of weddings. I loved transforming somebody and making them feel like more confident. And that was like one of the most fulfilling things for a really long time for me. Really, really long time. Okay, I just rubbed it off and you can see not too much damage at all. Let's powder the nose a little bit with whatever's left on the brush and go back in with my highlighting. Whatever's left again on the brush, I didn't take more, and problem solved. Okay, I love this Aqua Resist brow pencil, but it's finished. So what I'm gonna do is try to take the rest of it. Wow, maybe whatever's left, put it on my brush. And I don't know, people go to like all different types of events and they do not do their eyebrows, guys. Like eyebrows like literally frame the face. I don't understand why eyebrows are not done properly. They should be. They literally should be done properly, because when you do them right, it kind of completes the look you can see. And this is absolutely completing the look so well. The other thing I love to use is this 24-hour brow setter. Yep. Look at that. Ooh, OMG. Perfect, natural looking brow. This one is nice too. This has nothing on it, but once it's like filled in, it's gonna look really good. Even better. I literally am sweating. Now that we've made it this far, I am going to fill in my lips. My go-tos are always like the MAC liners. I know there's lots of other really good liners out there, lip liners, but like lip liner is a thing, like you have it and it lasts you forever. This is stripped down. It's like the perfect nude. It looks like good on my skin tone. See? And then a little spice right here. Oh yeah, that looks so pretty. All right. It gives the lips a really nice shape. Yeah, fast forward with my story time. I'll have to like do it another day because the rest of the story, I'll have to do it another day because I'm almost done my makeup. And I know sometimes people are a little mad about the overlining, but I'm not mad about it. It actually looks so good on me. Just a little bit of a fullness to the lips, balances out the top and bottom. Let's do the hair now. Onto the hair, doing some beach waves because this is like a coastal glam type of vibe. Ashish is born in Fiji, so his wife was like, we want like a beachy coastal theme. So this is the fit right here. You can see right there. All right. I did Hans's makeup. I gave him some powder, and now he's complaining about it in the background. He's checking his makeup with Anjali. This is what happens when you teach your daughter how to be a makeup artist too. Husband goes to the daughter for opinions. Hello there. And here he is. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
Are we leaving? You like the side part today?
The waves on one side, the hair on the other side. Looks good. Okay, both sides are done, but one side has this product right here. This is the Kenra Dry Texture Spray. So you can see like this side has a little bit more like fluffiness to it. So we're gonna do the same thing on this side. What it does, it kind of just like attaches to the hair and like creates a little bit more texture. Look, you can see it already. That's so crazy. Now this side has more. Let's add a little bit more on this side. Okay, there you go. Oof. Ooh. Whenever you're showing some skin, of course, you must gloss up the body. So we're gonna use this, and we're gonna use my favorite, the Kapari. What is this? The Sun Glaze Setting Mist. So let's go ahead and put it all over. Gotta look sun glazed. We are going to a Fijian party. There we go. Some of this. Ooh, I don't know if that's too much. Gonna put some back there. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Let's do it on this side as well. There we go. And we have to get the legs, of course. So let's put it over legs. So I also like want to just point out one thing. Like I get asked about like undergarments, like what you should buy if you're wearing like tighter dresses or even like looser ones. So underneath here, I have like the Skims, and then my bra is a strapless bra from Victoria's Secret, and that kind of like adds into like the seamless look. Okay, I'm glossed up. I'm gonna put my earrings on. These are the Nadri earrings. I love that particular brand. It looks so classy. They don't fade. And I have a few of them. I buy them from Nordstrom's, but it's called Nadri, N-A-D-R-I. Look how pretty. There's my hoops. I put my glossy body oil everywhere. We're gonna do a little bit of décolletage. I don't know how to say it, but highlight right here. I'm just gonna take whatever I find and pop out that collar bone. Right there. Yes. Can see it coming through. And then right here, let's just take our hands and blend it all in. There you go. Teasing this up a little bit of IGK. Cover up those little teeny bit of grays that I see. Making my makeup last all night. Thank you, Maybelline. Here's the bag and the shoes. That is the entire fit.